I'm going to head over to search for Shopify. We'll be directed to a page where we'll need to enter our email address and click on Start Free Trial. Now, there are some series of questions to fill, but for the sake of this tutorial video, I'll skip them all and click on Next. So over here, I'll click on Next. Now we'll be required to sign in with either a Google, Apple, Facebook, or email account, any account of your preference. So here, I'll sign in with my Google account, then click Create Shopify account, and wait while the account is being configured. Now we have the dashboard. Now in this dashboard, we can see the setup guide. So in order for us to be able to complete setting up our store to start selling, we have to customize it, pick a plan, add a domain, and so much more. Now let's select a payment plan for $1. So we go over to the top right side of our dashboard and click on Select a Plan. As you can see, 4 different plans have been made available for us to choose from. We have the Basic, Shopify, Advanced, and Plus plans, where the Basic, Shopify, and Advanced plans start at $1 each for the first months, and then you start to pay $29, $79, and $299 respectively. I will select the Basic plan. You will need to carefully go through the contents of the plan to aid you choose a suitable plan for your account. Then we fill in here details. So here we click on subscribe after providing the needed information. And now that we have selected a plan, we can go on to set up other things.